Wait, what? Another Coach Outlet unboxing? Yes, you heard it right. Want to know what it is? Stay tuned. Hi again, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. As always, welcome back to my channel, Minimal Lux. My name is Glenn. If you're new here, welcome. I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been really loving the recent drops from the Coach Outlet store. And if you have watched my last video, I just did an unboxing of the mini Rowan from the Signature Denim, and that came out last week of January. I believe it's January 28th to be exact, and from that collection I got a total of 3 items. And today I've got not one but 2 items, this time from the newspaper print collection that came out, I believe, the same day as the Signature Denim collection. I actually got these items pretty late. I decided to purchase them first week of March 6th to be exact. Luckily, I was at the Coach Outlet store at the time and I found only 4 of them left. And they were in the clearance section, which Coach actually calls the last chance section in the store. So this is the Coach Asher shoulder bag from the newspaper print collection. The style number is CDC11. It is in the color chalk with the newspaper print on it. It is made of refined pebble leather. Oh, and by the way, if you like smelling your leather goods like me, this bag smells amazing. I believe they got this from authentic Coach newspaper ads from the past, and that each item features a unique layout. I chose this particular bag because the headline texts are not too big. On the left side of the bag it says the Coach for Everyday. And then on the top center there is the horse and carriage logo. The shoulder straps are adjustable and removable. It has 3 length settings, and mine is currently in the middle setting, which is just about right for me, and that I can put it very easily over my shoulder. On the back of the bag, I like that it is mostly small newspaper text, and then dead center is this photo of an original vintage Coach tag that shows a genuine glove tan cowhide. The feature that I love about this bag is that it has feet, and it's in the silver hardware, which is my favorite. Amongst all my bags, I just love how unique this bag is. Definitely reminds me of the newspaper print bags that Dior came out with a few years back. The inside lining of the bag is in fabric in this light tan color, which I really like. As you can see, the opening is pretty wide, even though the bag only opens completely on one side. There is 1 zip pocket in the back, pretty generous size, I would say. The tag says it's in the color chalk multi. It is made in Cambodia with a comparable value of $3.75. In addition, there are 2 slip pockets on the other side, which is great for organizing the inside of this bag. And of course, I love the chunky zipper pull on this one. So the second item I purchased, also with the newspaper print, is the Large Corner Zip Wristlet. And was so lucky to have found this with the same print that the front of the bag has. which I think is the perfect pair. Again, the zipper runs very smooth on this one. The inside has the same fabric lining in the light tan color, with 2 slip compartments big enough for credit cards or ID. And now let's see the measurements of this bag. The handles have about a 10-inch drop, and that is in the middle setting. The bottom length of the bag, which is its widest, is about 12 inches. The height is about 5.5 inches. And the width is about 4.25 inches. And now the measurements for the large corner wristlet. The length is about 8 inches. The height is about almost 5 inches. And the depth or thickness is about 1/2 inch. The original price of the bag is $225, but since it is in the clearance section, I paid $150, plus the price of the large corner zip wristlet is $45, and of course I had to get their beautiful dust bag, and they go for $10 each, plus the 10.5 California sales tax, so I paid a total of $226.52. Now let's see what fits in the Coach Asher shoulder bag. But first I'm gonna pack the large corner zip wristlet. I'm gonna transfer all of the contents from my signature denim large corner zip wristlet to the one with the newspaper print. And since they are of the same size, it should not be a problem. First item is my Tide to Go pen. Second item is my hand sanitizer spray from Trader Joe's. Next item is a cream sheen glass lip gloss by MAC. The number 3 tinted lip balm by Agustinus Bader. A pack of mints. A lip balm in mint by Kiehl's. An almost empty tube of hand cream by L'Occitane. A must-have traveler toothpick, and that is all. And now let's pack the bag. The next item is one of my most favorite SOGs in my collection. This is the Gucciissima card holder by Gucci in the color ivory. I've had this thing for almost 16 years and still looks good as new. And this one goes into one of the slip pockets. Fits perfectly. The next item I have is the Louis Vuitton Porte-Monnaie Leger coin purse. It is in the monogram eclipse print. I purchased this in April of 2019, so I've had this for almost 7 years. This was from the men's section, but unfortunately they're no longer available. The zipper is in gunmetal hardware. The inside has one slip pocket, which currently holds my driver's license. And in the main compartment, I currently have a couple bills and some coins. And this one goes into the other slip pocket with no problem whatsoever. The next item is my pair of reading glasses from Easy Peasy. Next is my pair of sunglasses. A pillbox from Muji. My Louis Vuitton pochette clé or key pouch in the damier sur print. Purchased this on my very first trip to Paris in 2020, right before the pandemic. If I remember it right, I got this from an LV store inside the department store Printemps. Love this thing. A small container of gum. And that is everything that I carry on a daily basis. And there's still, as you can see, so much room left. Yay, I'm so happy with this purchase.